Hi, everybody. For today's literacy, we are going to have a bit of fun and we are going to engage in some creative writing. And our creative writing is if I had a penguin as a pet. So, for today's writing, you get to use your imagination and your creativity to write a piece about what you would do if you had a penguin as a pet. So let's think of some ideas. If I had a penguin as a pet, you need to maybe give your penguin a name. What does it look like? Maybe where would it sleep? What would it eat? And what would you do together? Okay, so keep those things in the back of your mind when you're writing about your penguin. The first thing you need to do is draw a picture. So I want you to use about a half a page to draw your picture of your penguin and you. And maybe the things that your penguin will eat might be in your picture and the things the penguin might do. Put as much detail as you can in it, as this will help you write your story. And label the picture with words. So I've written a sample story for you based on what I would do if I had a penguin as a pet. If I had a penguin as a pet, I would call her Penny. She would be a rock hopper penguin with funny feathers on her head. She would sleep in the bath with some ice in it. I would go out every day and catch fish for dinner, or go to Tesco if I was feeling tired. We would go to the beach and do art together every day, and every evening we would watch a movie on TV on the sofa. I would love my penguin. So, as you can tell from teacher's example, I have a name for my penguin. I've described the penguin. I said where the penguin would sleep, what she would eat, and what we would do together. So then I've written it in my copy to show you what I want it to look like in your copy. So this is teacher's example and I have a title. If I had a penguin as a pet. I then have my picture. So I'm looking for your title, your picture, and then your writing. And you go on to the next page if you run out of space. Okay, so your writing might be over 2 pages, but that's absolutely fine because I know from being in school that when we're doing our creative writing, that some of the boys and girls like to keep writing. So just make sure that you draw a nice picture with lots of detail and colour, and then you write about your penguin. And all the first class teachers are really excited to see your creative writing, to see what would you do if you had a penguin as a pet. I hope you enjoy this activity and be as creative and use your imagination as much as you can.